Hi everyone, it is currently March 11th, 2014, and yes, if that date does ring a bell, well, it is 3/11, 3 years since the Japan earthquake and tsunami struck northeastern Japan, causing widespread devastation. Still over 18,000 people are missing or have been presumed dead following this just massive earthquake, an 8.9 magnitude. Some put it on the order of a 9.0, and definitely one of the strongest earthquakes in recent memory out here. Now, today there is still recovery efforts ongoing across much of northern Japan. I did put out a video update last year, and also just posted an article at the website on the latest information, so please do go to westernpacificweather.com and check that out. Just posted it here today. But in this video update, we're going to be talking about the weather, not the recap. Just please go to check out that article. As far as what's going on out here today, there couldn't be any better weather for memorial services across Japan. There is a steady northwesterly wind, but that's letting up, and clear skies really dominating the forecast out here towards the north. Farther towards the west, low is going to move across northeastern China, bring a few flurries, and then in the southeastern China, a new low will be developing there into the next 24 hours. The big topic today, and the whole reason why I'm really kind of doing an update though, is our little area here just towards the southeastern portions of the Philippines. See that little low, actually. It's starting to get a little bit better organized. And yesterday we did talk about, and I did say that this was probably going to flare up with some convection in the next 24 hours. And it's nice when we actually get the forecast right here. It was rotating just east of Palau, moved across Palau, off there towards the west, and now it hit these higher elevations of Mindanao off towards Visayas, and we're seeing that precipitation come on shore. Now, do I expect this to become a named storm system? Not at the faintest, but we are going to be seeing some pretty heavy showers across eastern portions of Mindanao and Visayas going through the next 24 to 48 hours. Just take a look at the total rainfall accumulation out here, and you can just see that moisture just start to flow on shore. It really starts to pile up right near the immediate coastline, and yeah, a few areas out here could see about 100 to 200 millimeters of showers. Now, I did see some reports, people saying that farmers definitely want it. That's the good news. And the other good news, I don't think this is going to be a devastating type of system. I mean, the winds overall, not that high. We're looking at about 20 to 30 knot winds. It's just a very weak low, and it even lets up into about the 48-hour mark, and it almost goes near to calm. So we're just looking at persistent showers come on shore. The highest winds are going to be embedded within the localized thunder cells, but outside of that, you're just not going to be seeing anything too crazy or too intense besides some moderate showers. So that's really the big topic there. I know if we look at satellite imagery once again, it looks impressive, but just the moisture is revolved around the western periphery of it. It is a low pressure center. I would call it a low pressure area. You can see it here on the satellite imagery. You see the circulation right here? So yeah, right now that's all we're going to see out of that is just those persistent showers. Okay, I mentioned that a few times. I know that a few of you are watching the long-range models, and like you long-range model watchers out here, well, it does look like more models are picking up on the possibility of a tropical depression, or at least a low pressure area, by next Tuesday into Wednesday. This is the GFS model, out to about 192 hours out. That's by Thursday. It comes on shore. Now, it's not anything too strong or too intense, and none of the models have picked up anything more than a tropical depression. But as far as what we're going to keep our eye on, it definitely is something we're going to watch. And there's the ECMWF model showing something a little bit farther towards the south and a little bit weaker. We can even go back to this right here, and you can see out towards next week. Watch a little L start to pop up on your screen there just around Palau, and then it moves off towards the east into Mindanao. Nothing, once again, too intense, but I know a lot of people are raising red flags on it, so definitely want to bring it up. And even the rainfall accumulation outlook, remember this is just one model, one outlook, but we can see it go ahead here, and then look at this on the right side. That rainfall just starts to increase in again by next week, and that adds to yet more wet weather out here for a few of you going into about a week from now. lots happening, and that was 5 minutes of just me talking about what's going on there in southern parts of the Philippines. So with that said, if you are seeing the wet weather today, please let me know in the comment box below. Also share any feedback you may have, any questions, comments, or suggestions you may have, and as always, stay safe out there, everybody. Thanks for watching.